Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video tutorial, I will explain how to insert the records into a database using one-to-many relationship with a foreign key in a Django web application. Now let's check the final output. I want to insert the new course details of the Java. Click Insert New Course. The course name Java, the course ID is one here, see here in the URL, and here also the course ID 1. The course duration is around 30 days and the fees is around 2000 and the course level is intermediate. Click Insert. See here the course details saved successfully, the message, and this is the new course details is added of the Java. Let's check in our table. Right now we have only the Java courses contains only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click Browse to refresh this table. See here the new Java course details is added, which is the intermediate level. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to insert records using one-to-many relationship with a foreign key in Django applications. If you are a first-time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before continuing this video tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous video tutorial. And this video tutorial is a continuity of my previous video tutorial. In my previous video tutorial, I have explained step-by-step process to creating the models with a foreign key, one-to-many relationship, the two models. After that, the models are migrate as a tables in this database, PHP my admin database. The table names are the course details and course name, and these are the output of those tables. Course details contains the columns ID, course ID, CNAME, duration, fees, level, and courses ID. And this course name contains two columns, ID and course name. Now let's check my previous coding output, and here we got the output of my previous application, which contains the index page, the course ID and course name, and this table is nothing but the course name table, the ID and course name. So when a user wants to find out the particular course details, for example, if a user wants to check the PHP courses, see here we got a PHP course details from the second table, course details. If we check in the course details, we have only PHP. Let's browse the table again. See only PHP 2 courses in this course details. Go to home. If a user wants to check the C# details, see here we got the C# details. In our table we have only two C# details, one for the beginners and intermediate. See here the beginners and intermediate. Go to home, Java. We have 4 Java course details here, beginners, advanced and intermediate. 4 Java courses are available in our table at this moment. Go to home. Now my aim is in this video tutorial, in this course table, the course ID, course name, I will add one more column which contains a new href link with a new course details. So when a user clicks that new course details, it redirects to a new template called insert template, and that template contains a form field to insert these course details with the help of this course ID. So let's write the coding part, and this is the coding part which we have seen the output on the browser. See, the main step is the models, which contains two classes, course name and course details, which is nothing but our table name, the course name and course details. If we check the course details, the last property courses contains a foreign key, and this foreign key I am relating to this course name. So once again I am telling, if you are confusing to watch this video tutorial, please watch my previous tutorial. You'll get that link at the end of this video tutorial. To fetch the records using one-to-many relationship with a foreign key. Now let's add one new column to this index.html, the course ID, course name, and one TD. In this TD, I'm adding one href link. In this href link, I'm adding insert new course detail, insert new course. This is the href link. So let's save this file, save all. It saves all the application. Now I'm reloading the temp browser. See, here we got the new links, insert new courses, insert new course, insert new course. Now I want to add the new course details of the C#, so I can click this new insert new course. So when I click this new course, I want to redirect to the new template called insert template. So let's add a new template in this templates folder, new file, insert.html. And this is our insert.html template, h1, new course, insert, add new course. Let's add new course details. After that, I'm adding one horizontal line. Let's save this template, save all. Views. Now in this views, I'm adding def insert new course. Is a function name, contains a request colon. Let's add this return render here. We don't need this one here at this moment. Instead of new course details, I'm adding insert.html, the template name I'm adding here. And let's configure the urls.py path insert comma views dot. I'm adding this function name insert new course comma name is equals to insert, and this insert, the name I'm adding here in the index href link percentage to add the href link insert. That's it. Let's save this file. Let's save this whole application again. Save all. So after I save the file, we don't have any issues. Control plus mouse click. Here we got a new output, insert new courses. So when I click the new insert new course, see, it redirects to the new template insert. Now what I'm doing, if a user clicks the Java, I want to display here, add new Java course details, the course name I want to display. So here, let's copy this one. These all coding part I have showed in my previous video tutorial. So display.course name I'm copying to display the course details, course name, display the course, add new, this is a course name. So let's save this file, save all. And now we need to configure the URL also. To get the course name, we require the course ID. So ID, copy this one, paste here, and in the index.html we need to add this ID, course ID. That's it. Let's save this file, save all. Now reload the browser. Oops, yeah, something went wrong. Insert new course details in the URLs. Oops, here the course ID. So So instead of writing this step, course ID, copy this one, paste here. Now let's save this application again, save all, run the server again. Insert new course. So here we got add new Java course details. The coding is correct, so we need to rerun the server again, the add new Java course details. Now the next step, I will add one table with the form fields to insert the records into this course details. So here in the insert.html, after the horizontal line, I'm adding one table with the border is 1 and style of the table, text align is center and font size is large. Inside this table I am adding tr. Let's close this tr. td course name, td the course name input type is equals to text, close td, and the value here, the course name, here we already displayed the course name, so I'm copying this course name here, and here one important step I'm adding is the read only, so user cannot change this, alter this text box, read only, and the important point, name property, name is equals to, here the name I am adding, the column name in our table, which is a CNAME, the column names I am adding CNAME. Copy this one, paste here, paste here, paste here. This is the course details, course duration. It's a course duration, course fees, and course level. The course duration, the value we don't require here. Let's add the placeholder is the duration. It's not read only. We can alter this text box, and the name property is very important. The name contains our column name of the table, which is the duration, and this is a fees, and the course level, I don't want to display a text box. Instead of that, I'm adding one drop down list, which is just select element, select, and the select name is equals to, it's a level. Then option, the first option is select level, and this option is selected disable is equals to true. Then add the options. One is the beginners, and the second option is intermediate, and the third option is the advanced level. After that, I require the course ID also, TRTD. This is the TD course ID, TD input type is equals to text, and the value is equals to, between double curly brackets, display is nothing but a, and if we check the display, which is a key, dictionary key here. Display dot the course ID we are getting from the course name ID. So we need to add the column name ID, and this one I'm adding read only, and the name also we require. Name is equals to, and the ID I want to insert in this column, which is a courses underscore ID. So courses underscore ID, make sure give the exact the column names in this name field, courses underscore ID, that's it. After that, I'm adding one more tr which contains one button control, td. Let's add the element button, type is equals to submit, and submit insert. That's it. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the output, the designing part, this table is displaying properly or not. Control C. Let's run the server again. After I run the server, we don't have any issues. Control plus mouse click. We're displaying a new browser, and I click PHP insert new course. See here we got add new PHP courses, displaying the course name PHP and the course ID is 2. See, the course ID of the PHP is 2, and here the 2. If you check the URL also 2, and the course level contains a drop down list, beginners, levels, intermediate. Now we forgot to add the placeholder here, so let's add that one also here, the placeholder fees. Save this file. Now here the coding part, if request dot method double equals to get. If it's get, I want to display the selected records. Then elif request dot method double equals to post colon. Let's put this try catch blocks. CNAME is equals to request dot post between single quotes. I'm posting the data with the help of CNAME. The CNAME column is a text box for the course name. Next one is the duration, request dot post. Let's add this duration. Fees is equals to request dot post fees, and the level, the models, the level, copy this one, views, the level is equals to request dot post the level. And the last one is a course ID. So let's copy this courses ID. If you check in our properties, these are the properties. We don't have any courses ID here. We have courses, and this property is related to this course name. See, the foreign key contains a course name, So we need to add this course details to our views page. So course details, see, once we add the course details, it displays the properties. CNAME is equals to CNAME, comma, duration is equals to duration, fees is equals to fees, level is equals to level, and this one, the courses ID. The courses ID is equals to the ID we are getting from this course underscore ID. Dot save method. I'm saving these details from this course details method. After that, once the record is saved successfully, I want to display the message. So we require one more class here to display the message. Django dot contrib import messages dot success method. This success method takes the parameters. The first one is a request, http request, comma, and the second one, see, the messages is a string parameter. So between single quotes, the course details, the course details saved. Once the records is saved successfully, I want to display that records here at the bottom of the table. So I'm adding one more table here after the horizontal line. Just for the time saving, I'm pasting this table. This code I have showed in my previous video. So that code I'm pasting here. Save this file, save all. Here from import.views, yeah, and what I'm doing, I'm just displaying all the records. So paste here course ID and return this one, return try accept exception as E. If the record is failed to insert, I'm displaying the messages.success method request. The second parameter is a string parameter to display the error, failed to insert. And after that, I want to display this template if condition. So let's save this file, save all. So once I save this file, this application contains no issues. Now switch over to the insert.html page. When we are posting the data in Django, we require the form element, the post form method is equals to post, and I'm closing this form tag after this table below above the horizontal line, and inside this form I'm adding one important command called csrf underscore token, and this token is very important. When we are posting the data in Django applications, we need to add this command csrf underscore token. The purpose of this, it protects our data from the hackers. If you don't add this token, you will get an error. So make sure when you are posting the data, we need to add this token csrf underscore token. Then I'm adding the message also. the message we are getting from this messages classes. What are the messages? If the insert is record saved successfully, I want to display the course details saved. If it's failed to insert, I want to display this failed to insert. So that message I want to display here in this TD. So let's add the expression if messages. Let's close this, and if, and we require the for loop also. For mess is an object in messages for loop, and for, let's close this for loop, and between these double curly brackets I'm adding this expression mess here. That's it, and that's it. Up to now we have just finished everything. Complete coding part. Let's save this file. I hope it works perfectly. Control C to exit the server. Again rerun the server. Python manager.py run server. So after I run the server, we don't have any issues in our application. Control plus mouse click, and here we got the final output. Let's insert a new record. Insert new course. See, it redirect to the insert. The ID of the course C# is 3. The course ID is 3 and the course name is C#. And below this table we have another table which contains the course details is already present in our table. Let's run this one. In this course detail page, right now we have C# 2 records only. So these are the 2 records. Let's insert the new record. The duration is 45 days and the course fees is 4500, and this is the advanced level I'm adding. Click insert. See here the course details saved successfully. Below we got that new course detail is added. Let's check in our table. At this moment the course detail contains only 2. Let's browse. See here we got the new record C# 45 days 4500 advanced level. Forgot to add the go home link also. Let's add that one. This is a link. Go home, copy this one, go home, save this file. And let's check. Now let's check the final output. I want to insert the new course details of the Java. See here we got the Java href. Save this file. Save all. Now let's reload the browser, go to home. Now let's check the final output. I want to insert the new course details of the Java. Click insert new course. The course name Java, the course ID is 1 here. See here in the URL, and here also the course ID 1. The course duration is around 30 days and the fees is around 2000 and the course level is intermediate. Click insert. See here the course details saved successfully, the message, and this is the new course details is added at the Java. Let's check in our table. Right now we have only the Java courses contains only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click browse to refresh this table. See here the new Java course details is added, which is the intermediate level. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to insert records using one-to-many relationship with a foreign key in Django applications. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.